Creating a DIY hair keratin mask can help strengthen and smooth your hair, providing it with added shine and manageability. While a true keratin treatment involves complex chemical processes and is usually done at a salon, you can make a homemade mask using ingredients that promote hair health. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, optional. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, mash the ripe banana until it becomes smooth and free of lumps. Add the coconut oil, honey, plain yogurt, and almond oil, if using, to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients together until you have a well-blended mixture. Start with clean, damp hair and apply the mask to your hair, working it from the roots to the tips. Ensure that your hair is thoroughly coated with the mask. Once applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a towel to create a warm environment for better absorption. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to allow the ingredients to penetrate your hair. After the recommended time, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. You may need to shampoo your hair to remove any residue from the mask. Finish by conditioning your hair as usual and allow it to air dry or style it as desired. The ingredients in this DIY hair keratin mask provide various benefits. The banana is rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural oils that help nourish and strengthen the hair. Coconut oil provides deep conditioning and helps reduce frizz, while honey and yogurt contribute to moisture retention and shine. Almond oil, if included, can add extra nourishment and hydration to your hair. Keep in mind that this homemade mask may not provide the same intense effects as a professional keratin treatment. However, it can still help improve the overall condition of your hair, making it smoother and more manageable. If you have any known allergies or sensitivities to the ingredients, perform a patch test before applying the mask to your entire head of hair. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.